In this video, I'm going to show you how we made $245 promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, just using free traffic from Pinterest. I'm going to share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest, which affiliate links I am promoting, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that people will be interested to buy. Okay, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you step by step my method. So you just need to copy and paste and you will earn commission like this. Okay, so as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. As you can see, it's paid over here. Okay, so in today's video, guys, I'm gonna share with you step by step my method. So let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So just come to this page and you need to scroll down. Just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see over here. So what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate page, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is really super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, you will answer few questions, choose your country and choose your language. Put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, that's fine, just click on next, answer few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. It will take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click on the search for Airbnb promotion. Search for Airbnb promotion. This service is profitable and you can give it a try and you will earn commission if you start promoting this service. Okay, so search for Airbnb promotion. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers has good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, I'm gonna choose for example this one. This one is level 2 seller and he has almost 5 stars. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Okay, you will be in this page. Click over here and put this seller link here. Okay, and click over here again. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to copy this link from here and you need to go to Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest to promote this affiliate link. So what you need to do is if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really super easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes. Make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed. Click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you need to upload a picture about this service, okay, that you are promoting. So go back to this seller page, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna double click, save image. Okay, I'm gonna name it Airbnb like this. Save Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay, picture about your service. Open, and here you go. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here. You need title, description. Go back to this seller page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, put this title over here, description. Go back to this profile page, scroll down, about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy this part, go to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, choose a board, click over here. If you are new, click on create a board and just give it a name. You can create as many as you want. I already created 3, as you can see. I'm gonna choose this one, Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down, put here tags. Okay, go back to this seller page and you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down, you should find related tags. Okay, copy those tags over here, go to Pinterest, put these tags here, go back to the seller page, copy this one, and you can use his tags. Okay, so your pin can rank. Okay, I'm gonna name it this one Airbnb promotion. So put your tags here. After you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. You will not invest any money. You can just use free traffic to promote affiliate links on Pinterest and start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, as you can see, this is my picture, my affiliate service, my affiliate link over here. As you can see, my affiliate link here, title, description. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. And if you are new, start to promote like 3 to 5 affiliate links per day if you want to get commission. You cannot promote just one affiliate service. You need to keep promoting more affiliate services if you want to get commission. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.